Hey everyone, welcome back to Sam Trading Strategies, your home for smart and simple binary trading education. In today's video, I'm going to share a powerful and beginner-friendly strategy called the 3-2 pattern reversal strategy. This setup works beautifully on Pocket Option OTC pairs using 30-second candles with a 1-minute expiry time. You're going to learn how the market moves in a rhythmic pattern, 3 strong candles in one direction, followed by 2 pullback candles that signal a possible reversal. Once you understand this rhythm, you'll be able to spot clean reversals within seconds, even in fast-moving OTC markets. I'll explain everything step by step. The full logic behind the pattern, the exact candle sequence, entry timing, money management, and the common mistakes to avoid. So even if you're completely new to binary trading, you'll easily follow along. And make sure you watch this video till the end, because I'll also share pro tips and real chart examples that will help you master this setup with confidence. Disclaimer: this video is created only for educational and informational purposes. Trading involves risk and may lead to the loss of invested capital. Always practice first on a demo account and trade only with the money you can afford to lose. Let's now go through the complete trading rules so you can apply this strategy safely and correctly. Rule 1. Identify the 3-2 pattern. First, open the chart on Pocket Option and set the time frame to 30-second candles. We'll use a 1-minute expiry for each trade. Now, look for 3 candles of the same color moving strongly in one direction. For example, 3 green candles showing that buyers are in control. After that, wait for 2 opposite candles. These should be normal in size or slightly smaller. This means the market is taking a pause, and a reversal pressure is building up. The full sequence should look like 3 green and 2 red, or 3 red and 2 green. Rule 2. Check the zone. Make sure this 3-2 pattern forms near a key level, such as a previous swing high or swing low, or around the outer band of Bollinger Bands if you use them. This helps confirm that momentum is fading and a reversal zone is likely. Rule 3. Entry setup. For a buy setup, wait for 3 green candles followed by 2 red candles. As soon as the next candle opens, place a buy trade. For a sell setup, wait for 3 red candles followed by 2 green candles. Enter a sell trade at the next candle open. Keep your expiry at 1 minute only. That's ideal for accurate rhythm reversal timing. Trade with discipline. Risk only 1-2% of your account on a single trade. If you lose 2 trades in a row, stop trading and analyze your setups again. If you win 4 trades continuously, also take a break. This keeps you safe from overconfidence and emotional trading. Remember, consistency matters more than the number of trades. Candles are too small or flat. That means low volatility. You see multiple 3-2 patterns forming back-to-back. This usually indicates a fake range market. It's always better to skip low-quality setups than to force trades. Practice on a demo account until your eyes can easily recognize clean 3-2 patterns. Once you gain confidence, move to real trading with discipline and patience. Trading success comes from following rules and managing your emotions, not just the setup. To make things easier for you, I've created a free 3-2 pattern reversal strategy PDF checklist. You can download it from the Telegram link in the video description. Keep it open while trading. It will help you follow every rule step by step without missing anything. Now that you understand the complete rules, let's move to the live chart and look for real 3-2 pattern setups in action. I'll show you exactly how I identify them and how the market reacts right after entry. Let's jump to the live analysis and see this strategy working on real-time OTC charts. Here, we can see the market forming a clean 3-2 pattern. After 3 strong bullish candles, 2 red pullback candles appeared, showing a short pause in momentum. The second red candle rejected from a previous support area, giving a clear sign that buyers are preparing to step back in. At this point, I entered a buy trade on the next candle open, following all the confirmation rules of the 3-2 pattern strategy. The setup looked perfect: clean rhythm, balanced pullback, and ideal entry zone. As the new candle started forming, the price initially moved slightly downward, testing the lower shadow region. This is a normal behavior after a pullback. The market often checks for remaining selling pressure before moving in the main direction. Within a few seconds, we can notice a shift. Buyers began to push the candle upward with steady strength. The candle body turned green, confirming that the reversal pressure was real. This kind of smooth reaction shows the accuracy of the 3-2 rhythm when aligned with proper zones. As the candle closed, the trade finished successfully in profit. The reversal from the two red candles completed perfectly, validating the logic of the pattern. You can clearly see how price respected the key level and continued upward after the entry. Now, let's move on and analyze the next setup together. At this point, a strong bearish candle had just completed after a clear impulsive move downward. But notice how it reached an earlier reaction zone where price had already bounced several times before. The candle closed with a long lower shadow, showing that sellers tried to push lower, but buyers immediately absorbed the pressure. This was my confirmation to enter a buy trade on the very next candle open, following the rhythm principle of the 3-2 pattern and expecting a short-term reversal from this exhaustion point. Right after entry, the candle started with a small dip, testing the same demand zone again. This moment is crucial. Many new traders panic here, but this test often confirms that liquidity is being collected for a reversal move. Within seconds, the lower wick formed and the body began to shift from red to green. Momentum gradually built up as buyers gained control, pushing price back toward the midpoint of the previous candle. You can clearly see the balance changing, each tick reflecting renewed strength from the buyers. This smooth reaction tells us the reversal signal was not random. It followed perfect market rhythm behavior. As the candle closed, the position ended successfully in profit. The market respected the key zone and reversed cleanly from the level where the large bearish candle had exhausted. Now, let's move on and analyze the next setup together. At this point, the chart displayed a short downward sequence that looked like a possible continuation setup. I entered a sell trade expecting the next candle to move further down, in line with that temporary bearish rhythm. However, notice the key detail. Price was already sitting near a strong support level where it had reacted multiple times before. This made the entry less ideal because when price reaches support, buyers often become active and reverse short-term momentum. Even though the structure looked fine at first glance, this entry didn't fully meet all the confirmation conditions from our strategy checklist. Right after entry, the candle opened with a small push downward, but quickly began to slow. You can see how the lower wick formed early, signaling that buyers were entering from that support area. Instead of continuing smoothly in the direction of the trade, the candle began to climb back upward, testing the same level where sellers had just been active. This kind of movement shows hesitation in the market. It's a sign that both sides are fighting for control. In such moments, the best approach is to simply observe calmly rather than react emotionally, because the candle's behavior is already telling you that momentum is shifting. As the candle closed, the trade ended in a loss. This trade didn't go as planned, but every loss teaches a valuable lesson. Always respect key levels and follow your rules with discipline. No strategy wins every time, but consistent learning and emotional control make you a stronger trader. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and join our Telegram community for more strategies and free PDFs. Thanks for watching. Stay disciplined, stay consistent, and trade with confidence. Learn with clarity.